ZANU PF rolls out cell verification exercise in HWAN by MH Lamulai N Cube. ZBC vertical bar the 6th of September 2025. The ruling ZANU PF party has launched its cell verification program in HWAN's district as part of efforts to consolidate its membership base and strengthen grassroots structures. An inter-district meeting held at HWAN's Colliery Club brought together senior party officials, including Politburo members Advocate Jacob Mudenda and CDE Tino Machacare, who underscored the importance of the exercise. The young people have always been very important to the party and government. We thank them for their support, which is why we continue implementing empowerment programs that benefit them immensely, Advocate Mudenda said. CDE Machacare also urged HWAN structures to accelerate the process. This is an important exercise which should be done in the district of HWAN. While they are lagging behind, we encourage them to move and regularize their cell membership. It is an exercise which must include all key stakeholders. The verification program is seen as critical to ZANU PF's long-term political strategy, providing accurate data on membership and mobilizing communities ahead of key national events. The party has also been rolling out empowerment initiatives in Matebeleland North, where youths have received trucks for business ventures, and others have benefited from cattle ranching projects launched over the past 2 years.